Hi guys, so this video is for our social studies block this morning, and we are going to focus on the two types of transportation used by the Nez Perce natives. So let's think. Nez Perce, northwest coast. Coast means by the water. So what type of transportation do you think the Nez Perce used for the water? Canoes. So northwest canoes were different than the northeast canoes. If you go back way at the beginning of the year and you think back to when we learned about the natives in our area, they used birch bark for their canoes. And they would burn and hollow out the inside and they would shape it. Okay? The northwest tribes would really think about carvings and adding color and really molding their canoes into beautiful shapes. So their technique is called the dugout technique, where they would just kind of keep chopping away at the wood and they would carve out the inside, and then they would add these beautiful, beautiful carvings to the outside, or they would add other type of sculptures to the wood. You'll notice a trend with the northwest canoes. Think back to when we read The Raven and Storm Boy. Remember, they only used a few different colors. So we saw lots of blacks, lots of reds, lots of blues and greens and white. But that was really it. Maybe some yellow. So you are going to see that the Northwest tribe canoes also take on those color characteristics. I'm going to post a picture of a Northwest Coast dugout canoe so you can see it. So canoe was one type of transportation the Nez Perce used. And the Nez Perce used the canoes because they were fishermen. So next comes our other form of transportation. And you guys made ornaments for this type of transportation. If you remember, they would wear it right here. Does anybody remember what it was called? What animal it was? It was the Appoloosa horse. So the Nez Perce were great horse breeders, and they bred the Appoloosa horse, and the Appoloosa horse was known for their beauty and their temperament and their intelligence. They were very smart horses. So the Nez Perce bred these horses and kept these horses and treated these horses like family. And they used them to hunt buffalo and bison. So when they weren't in the canoes fishing, they were on the horses hunting. So I'm going to post two videos. I'm going to post a video on the Appoloosa horse, and I'm going to post a video on a Nez Perce tribal person making a canoe. It's going to look a little different because today we have the technology that the natives did not have back then. So these Native Americans in the video are using a chainsaw, but you will be able to see the shape that they come out with for the canoe. So have fun watching the two videos. After you're done watching the two videos, I have a journal assignment for you. You need to answer this question. Which type of transportation would you want to use, and why? So, would you choose the canoe or the Appoloosa horse? And tell me why. Have fun.